Hats, welcome back to Stuck on an Island. I like your summer dress. It's not a dress, it's a shorts, like, right?
It's a scorch, yeah.
Scorch? Scorts?
No, not scorch. What do you call it again? You know what I mean, babe.
Alright guys, I don't know. Welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you and we are always smiling. Julia's looking like super good right now. Channel, yo. Yo, hold on, zoom in. Yeah, go again, babes. Looking really good right now. Anyway, we're about to go get something to eat. It's our last night here, and she's listening to music. So I'm here with this beauty tonight. It's like I got a whole new girlfriend. I swear to you, I am in love with summer dresses, and she's wearing it so well. But anyway, to the side course. I'm gonna go through this again. Same menu from yesterday to give you guys a basic idea of what the menu is. Shadowing is blocking it, but whatever. You guys can screenshot or pause. She don't need no money in her life. You already have money in her life.
Thanks.
Anyway, I got some cream of pumpkin soup here that I'm gonna try out and see how it is. Alright, so my coconut curry fish is out here. It's a snapper with rice and peas and some pasta. Judah ordered lobster, but unfortunately, slight mistake.
Thank you.
So she's gonna get
The bami is good though.
The bami is good?
Yeah.
Yeah, so she's gonna get the bami. She's keeping the bami and everything, but then they're gonna do the curry, the garlic lobster.
Yeah.
But what I liked about that just now, like, he was like no problem to take it back, so that was good. He's been good to us since we got here. It's been really cool.
Jokes.
Well, yeah. I got some wine on the house because it's Judah's birthday. Well, yesterday, but we forgot to mention it, so we're getting it tonight. Last night was good, right?
Yeah. Wait, what was it?
Alright, so she got her change, her lobster. Guys, I'm ready full. I can't eat no more. Not a crime scene today. Victim, get to it. Guys, my belly full enough, but you guys know when it come on to ice cream, I don't play those games. Anyway guys, we're about to close out the night. Well, we did close the restaurant as usual. And Judah's back there, wanting me to be the cameraman. Huh? Trying to make her wine stretch. But anyway guys, remember these three things: love, nature, adaptation. Always remember, keep the link.